All right, and finally for lesson 2 dash, what are we on? 12. This is your math boxes. Number 1, it says Diego has 4 trays of plants. Each tray has 6 plants. How many plants does Diego have in all? Answer. How many plants? Then this second part is fill in the circle next to the correct number models. Okay, if you have your answer here, you should be looking at the equals down here. So it says fill in the circle next to the correct number model, or this means number models. There could be more than one. If your answer is here, that means that your number model should have the same answer. So you might be picking 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 answers. Which one is it going to be? Fill in all of these circles that are correct, right? Maybe this has a multiplication and an addition number model that solves it. Good. Number 2, you have 12 party favors. You put 2 favors in each of 4 party bags. How many party favors are left over? Remember, when we have leftovers or extras in math, that's called remainders. And it says number models. So draw more than one number model to figure this out. Your answer with units. So how many were left over? How many remainders did we have after our number models? Number 3, 2 friends share 3 oranges. How many oranges will each friend get? Show how they can share the oranges equally. This is really similar to how we had 4 children sharing 3, graham crackers, and some of the other models that we've had. So you have 2 friends, I would draw 2 people, and I would draw 3 oranges. How are we going to split them? Number 4, use your pattern block template. Trace a quadrilateral 2 pairs of parallel sides. If you do not have a pattern block template, you can use your iPad as a resource and you can type in quadrilateral with 2 pairs of parallel sides and see what that gets you, right? So just have your journal out, type this into your iPad and see what it comes up with and draw that shape if you do not have that pattern block template. And finally, number 5 says, explain how you solve problem 2. How did you figure out how many leftovers or how many remainders you had? Describe it with words. All right, keep being awesome.